Listen, these two together, they don't miss. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today I'm gonna put y'all on to my favorites, my current favorite fragrance combo. Now, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Make sure you are subscribing to this here channel, y'all. Make sure y'all liking this video. Make sure you share it to your friends. Save it for later for when you go shopping. You know, and like this video if you like this video. Okay. Let's get right into it because I ain't trying to hold y'all long. I just want to put y'all on. Okay? I've been getting mad compliments about this, whatever, this combo. I even had my mom smell it and now she want it. The combo is the Burberry Her Intense and the Sol de Janeiro 62. That's the combo. That's the combo. But let me show you how it goes, okay? So first things first, you want to take a shower. You want to take a shower, and you want to take a shower with light notes of the fragrance that you're about to wear, right? So for my shower, I use one of these two when I'm about to put this on. So I use the Stand and Fog Pistachio Dream Body Wash. And you might be asking why? Why? Because pistachio is one of the notes in these. Okay? You see where I'm going with this? We got to make it all the way, follow the train all the way through. So I use the Pistachio Dream Sour Gel in the shower. Okay? That's number one. Or I use the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Play Body Wash, which is, the same scent as this. Okay. So I either use this one or the pistachio from Sand and Fog as my body washes. That's what we start with. Right? We out the shower now. Fresh out the shower. First things first, I'm gonna pop this open and I'm spraying this all over. Like a quick, this could settle down with whatever lotion I'm about to use. All right? This is hey, let's get everywhere we could get spray. That's the first spray down. Fresh out the shower, spray down with this. All right? Then oils and lotions. I don't know how you apply your lotion oil situation, but here's another situation. If you are just I apply my oil by itself kind of person, that's cool. Sol de Janeiro has the Bum Body Oil. What is it? Bum Body Firmeza Oil. And what is it? The same scent as this. Right? Okay. You picking up what I'm putting down? Okay, so you can use this oil. This is the oil that I use. Now, for lotions or body butters, you could always use the Sol de Janeiro Bum Creme. Right? And what scent is this in? 62. You can use this. That's what it looks like. You can use this. Or if you're like me, and sometimes I do either or. Sometimes I go with the oil and sometimes I just go with it. It really depends on how you're giving it up. Now, if you're a person who don't like mad steps, just go with this. Or just go with this. One of the two. It don't got to be both. It can be. It don't got to be both. Now, if you're like, hey girl, I'm not about to go out and buy all this shit. What can I do with my regular lotion? I use this too. Why? Because it has no scent. And the scents are not combining with the scent that I'm trying to create, right? We're still going forward with the fragrance combo because this has no scent. Now, also, if you're another person that's like me sometimes, I'm like, too many steps. How can I combine it? Put a little lotion in your hand, put a little oil in your hand at the same time. 2 for 1. Okay? Do these both at the same time. Make this one step instead of two. Same results. Same results. Make these 2 steps one step. That's what I do on my mornings, like I gotta go to work mornings versus I'm outside mornings. The outside mornings are separate. I gotta go to work together, right? So then I take my Burberry Her and I hit my hot spots. What are my hot spots? We're hitting this little area here. Okay. And then we're gonna go low. We're gonna hit our hot spots down there. For you, it might be different than it is for me. So when I go low, I'm gonna go like behind knees, ankle, stomach area, right? Now I'm getting dressed because we've already sprayed down with this, fresh out of the shower. We hit our hot spots with this. Time to get dressed. Put your clothes on, right? Because you gotta let everything settle in, right? So now this has settled into the body. We added lotion and oils to it. Now we sprayed this. This is settling into the body. We're putting our clothes on. You feel me? Is we still on the same page? Like this video right now if we're still on the same page, okay? Give it to me. Come on, give it to me. All right. Anyway, so now we're getting dressed. We're doing our thing. Blah, 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 right? Right before you do your last, like, touch-ups. I'm putting on my jewelry. I hit this over my clothes. I'm including hot spots. Hit that, right? Now I'm going about my business. Put my clothes, my shoes on, my this, my that, my that. And I hit this one more time. We're gonna go from the root to the tutor, because now we're putting it on our clothes. We are not doing a hot spot because we did that already, right? So now we're just doing little here and there. It's like little shoulder action. You know what I'm saying? Like hit the clothes, boom, 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 boom. A little in the hair, you know. And now you complete. And now you smell like a sweet, warm goddess. Okay? And all day people gonna be like, you smell nice. This is my newest fragrance combo and it hits. It hits. I'm gonna put whatever the notes are for each fragrance on the screen somewhere, and they go together like that. I'm trying to tell you. They go together like this. Okay? To recap, shower with like notes body washes. So this is the body wash that actually goes with the Sol de Janeiro set. This is the Pistachio Dream by Stand and Fog. We like these both because what? They have the same notes. They have the same notes as the fragrances that we're going to use in the future, right? After the shower, we hit the Sol de Janeiro all over our body, let that soak in, and then we hit it with the oils. Oil your body down with the same Sol de Janeiro body oil, right? And then you add your body butter. Body butter or Bum Creme in this scenario, the Bum Creme, or you get you some good old moisturizing cream, lotion, whatever. Hit this next, right? Right? You writing this down? Lotion next. And then we're gonna hit our hot spots with our Burberry Her. Hot spots being places that you kind of maybe like sweat or places that people smell you at. You know, you ever say, let me smell you real quick. Where do you go when you ask somebody, can you smell them? Is it on their neck? Is it on their wrist? Hit those spots, the hot spots, right? You get dressed and then you hit your Sol de Janeiro. Girl, I got two, honestly. This one is about to be out, so I had bought a new one. Then we hit our Sol de Janeiro all over our clothes. Boom, 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 boom. And then before you head out the door, you run this back from the rooter to the tutor. Close. We're gonna pass the hot spots because we already hit those, right? Close. Shoulder. Something different than the last time. Because now it's all over. And now you've created an aroma that's gonna hit the room perfectly. Every time you step in that motherfucker, okay? I have not worn this combo once and not gotten a compliment. Not once. So this is for the girls who like to smell sweet, but adult sweet, not kiddish sweet. This the one. This the one. Not the two. It could be the two, honestly, because I've got better combos. If you want to see more combos, let me know in the comments, because I got it. I got it. If you want to be a vanilla girly, if you want to be a sweet girly, if you want to be a floral girly, I got some stuff in the vault. Now I can let y'all know. To all the scent gurus out there, and be like, "Oh, that was easy. They got the same scent profile." They do. They got a similar scent profile, but it ain't the same. But they go together real good, real bad. Okay, okay, real bad. So again, that Burberry Her Intense. Now, will this combo work with Burberry Her, the regular one? I don't know. Maybe, perhaps. I do have a Burberry Her. I actually gave it to my mom, so I don't got Burberry Her no more. But I don't know. But this is the newest Burberry Her Intense, plus the Sol de Janeiro 62 Chef's Kisses. Okay, Chef's Kisses. Let me know in the comments, for real, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you want me to give some more scent combos that I mess with, that I get compliments on. I can put y'all on. But other than that, it's been real. Like, subscribe, comment, share this to your friends, take notes. I'm gonna put the steps in the description. Okay? Don't say I never put y'all on, because I always put y'all on. Sol de Janeiro 62 Burberry Her Intense. It's been real. It's your girl Fee. Peace.